Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find taxes on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Squarespace allows you to configure and manage taxes for your online store, making it easy to charge the correct tax rates for your products based on location. Once you are logged into your Squarespace account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click on the account dashboard. Once you've chosen the website that you're working with, I want you to hover to the left side panel where you can see the gear icon and click on settings. Here, now once you've clicked on the settings, I want you to hover to where it says selling, because that's where you can find the taxes. You can set up tax rates for your store when you click on it. And you see, this is going to be your options, alright? You can manage how and where your business collect tax. You can have a manual setup. You can set tax rates for your specific locations and you want to collect tax. If you want to add rate, what will happen is you need to select the country. For example, I'm going to be choosing United States. It would be forwarded here. All right, select state, for example, Arizona. Click on next. And of course, these applies, all right? You can add zip code rate if you wanted, but I'm not going to do that right now. Click on save. Now, you can add how your tax would look like. Are you going to add a checkout? Sales tax won't be included without product price and will be added at checkout. All right. You can include price. Sales tax is included in the product price and won't be added at checkout. So these are the options where you can see and find your taxes. The reason by finding this is that many countries, states, and local jurisdictions require businesses to collect sales tax right here, like VAT or value added tax, or GST or goods and services tax on certain products and services. Basically, setting up taxes correctly ensures that you comply with local tax laws and avoid penalties or fine. Of course, that is displaying transparency with accurate tax charges at checkouts builds trust with your customers if tax rates are correctly calculated. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.